Okay. Again, inhale, arms up to look at hands. Exhale, down. Head and chest up, come up halfway. Hands on the floor, step back or jump back. High plank. Then crocodile, come down anywhere you like. You can come down from the knees. Up dog, push the feet, look up. And down dog. Hey, keep pushing your tailbone up. Push your hands into the. Okay, so from here we do lizard flow. So kick up the right leg. Exhale, bring that down. Bring the foot, plant the foot between the hands or behind the hand. So you may need to use one hand, right hand, to bring the foot forward. Then put the left knee down. Okay. If you need extra padding under the knee, you can fold the mat, put under the knee. Okay, come up. Arms up. Square the hips, square the shoulders. Low crescent. Okay, now put both hands on the floor. Okay, now, so your foot is now between the hands. Swap the position of right foot and right hand. So, foot is outside the hand now. And turn your toes out a little bit. Okay, got that? Then, walk the back knee a little bit. Put the front of the foot. Then, sink the hip. So, try to lower the hip. Okay, tuck your back toes. Change the hands and the foot. Get back to down dog. Okay, we change size. Kick up the left leg. Swing that down. So plant the foot between the hands or behind the hands. Back knee down. So double the mat if you need to. Come up. Up. So low crescent. Okay. Then put both hands on the floor. So swap the position of left hand and left foot. So now foot is outside the hand. So foot is almost at the edge of the mat. And turn your toes out. Okay. Then step the knee back a little bit. And tuck your toes. Then sink the hip. Okay, tuck your back toes. So change the hand and the foot again. Then back to down dog. Tailbone up. Okay, look between the hands. Step or jump. Leg straight, head up. Head down. And come up, look at hands. And down.